some real nigga shit, bro. Sometimes I don't even be feeling like a hood and shit. Feel me? Man. Sometimes it's best to just take it slow. Live life. Let some shit go. Take your time, bro. Just let me know. Whenever time it is to go. Cause you know I got your back and so do you have mine. Go home, boy. Let's listen now. It's time for something new. It's time for something different, though. Everybody doing this ain't shit be different, bro. So I'm saying to you, bro. Just keep your head up. Get your money right. Stack your bread up. Don't let no nigga talk shit cause I got that lead, bro. And you know, I be aiming at his head, bro. Fuck a leg, fuck an arm or a chest, bro. I want your head, nigga, if you fucking with my bro. I murk you in your clip, bro. Y'all niggas, y'all ain't shit, bro. Matter of fact, you about to be pissed, bro. You about to be hit. Matter of fact, you ain't shit, bro. Pissing me off. Fucking with my nigga, now it's time to pay the cost. Cause I done murked it, man. I done did my time and I done served it, man. It ain't shit, but I do it again. If my family member in trouble and meeting me, man. Trust me, I do what I gotta do to feed, man. Will you do that for yours? I don't think so. Y'all niggas ain't hard, ain't about them pesos. Y'all just fucking bros and getting lazy though. Y'all some slap monkeys. Y'all niggas don't do shit. I should slap monkeys. Talking about y'all, bro. Y'all fucking up the world for my kids and they ain't called for. What y'all wanna do that for? Y'all believe in the future though? Don't you believe in the future though? How could you not believe in your future, ho? You's a dumb motherfucker though. Still catching cases. Still toting paid. You still on the same motherfucking thing. I've been changed the page. I've been changed. I've been switched up. Ain't got a little change. It's all good. I ain't got that much change. But I am whipping in the range. And it ain't from them drugs, man. Cause I got a job. Cause I go to school and I work hard. Cause I want it, man. If you want it, you gotta want it, man. So if you want it, get up on it, man. That's so inspiration, bro. You gotta get up on it, man. And don't be faking, don't be phony, man. Just keep it a buck, no matter how much, man, it hurt you, man. Sometimes you gotta let it go. Sometimes it's better if you just let them know. I ain't for that shit today, yo. Go ahead, I'm about my pesos. And I'ma do whatever my niggas say, so. It's just because I love you, though. Now I ride for my niggas. No matter what the situation, no matter what the altercation. Just take a vacation. Got me contemplating. Like, damn, niggas really hating? Damn, am I really waiting on a nigga just to come and kill me? Hell nah, do you feel me? Man, I'ma get it real me. Not Drake, bitch, the real me. So I know the hood feel me. And I'ma go hard, even if it kills me. And I'ma still spit, even if you don't feel me. Cause it's me and I'm still making my paper, homie. I'm still getting it up, you bitches see you later, homie. Ain't do nothing for mine. You just interrupting my grind. Little nigga, little figure. You don't know what it's like to bust big triggers. Float a nigga in the river with 2 center blocks on his feet. That's a deliver. Get away with that shit though. And let her talk about it, huh? I know. Yeah. I'm a real nigga cause I grew up around real niggas. Taught me how to kill niggas. Taught me how to be a real nigga. Taught me how to be trill, nigga. Now all I am is real, nigga. Yeah, all I am is real, nigga.